guys, good morning. How are you doing? Is everything okay? Give thanks. Give thanks and remember to put God first in everything. My viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to another video. Alright? Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching. Thanking you for blessing up my channel. And all those that are supporting my video, bless up every time. My thumbs up to you again. Alright, I'm showing you now. I'm looking after my lunch to take to work. Alright, so I'm showing you what I'm going to cook. Okay, just watch as I go. Today I will be cooking some gungo and saltfish. Never eat that before? And I'm also going to cook some callaloo rice. Alright, this is my callaloo all washed already in my water. So I'm going to blend my callaloo and put it with the use it to cook the rice, and I'm going to cook the peas. So watch as I go. So my water is over there waiting, so watch as I go. Alright, so I'm going to throw it here. I bought this at the store. Alright, can you see? So I'm going to wash. So here's my water for my gungo peas. Alright, so I'm going to put in, and I have my saltfish over here, and I put it to soak. So watch as I go. You can see? Alright, so I'm going to let them stay there and boil. This is they call it the green pigeon peas. Alright, I bought it at the store. Green. Okay, so I'm boiling it now. Alright, so I'm going to blend my callaloo to cook my rice. So it's callaloo rice with gungo peas with saltfish. So I'm going to season it up and put it with tomato and whatever season I have, scallion and so. So watch as I go. So this is my callaloo. Alright, so I'm going to put it in my blender and blend it. Alright, so watch as I go. Alright, can you see the blender? Alright, so I don't strip it because it's going to blend. Normally when you're going to cook it, you strip it, clean it, but I just wash it off. Alright, but I don't worry to strip it like from here. Normally you strip it come down. I don't strip it, I just wash it and clean it off. Alright, so here's my callaloo. Can you see the blender? Let me get out of the way. Alright, so it's callaloo rice. So you season your rice. Alright, can you see it? I hope you can. Let me know if you're seeing my blender clearly. Alright. You can see? Okay. My subscribers and viewers, when we buy the callaloo here, if we don't use it at the same time, we have to freeze it. So this is a frozen callaloo. Alright, callaloo can be frozen. Alright, in these places and countries, we have to frozen our callaloo. So you can see. But when you just buy it, it's so pretty. Alright, this is my, and I'm going to put some more water on it. You can see? I'm going to put some more water in it. The same water I'm going to put on it, as a matter of fact. Alright. Let me get a spoon. So my pot is over here waiting on me. I'll have to hold this. You can see, that's my callaloo. Put some water in it. And that's for my lunch today. Like this, and you throw some more water and this, squeeze it out. So this is my callaloo water. I'm going to use it to cook my rice. So what is I cook? So this is the remains, the trash from the callaloo. Alright? Let me know if you know callaloo. You have different stuff that they call, different vegetable that they call callaloo in different countries. But this is our Jamaican callaloo. Alright? So this is the finish of squeezing out the callaloo. Okay, so my water is there. So watch as I go. My saltfish. Alright, it's boiling. So I'm going to put my rice in now. So guys, I'm washing my rice now. As you can see, I'm washing my rice. Wash my rice like this. You can see. I'm going to use my strainer here to strain it out. Strain out the water, which is easier for me. Alright. Sometimes to make it easier, you just put it in a strainer. This is my callaloo water ready and waiting. So I'm going to put a little salt in it. And you put whatever seasoning. You put your margarine or butter. You put scallion, garlic, whatever you want to put in it. But I'm not going to put none of those in it. Alright? Because I don't use the margarine. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a little Maggi seasoning in it. So you put whatever you want to put in it. Alright? Just put a little Maggi seasoning. That's all it needs. And a little salt. And sometimes I tip a little ginger, a little powdered ginger also. But you can put your margarine or your butter in it. Alright? So it's all ready now. That's my callaloo. So here's my rice over here. You can see I have my rice here. I'm going to put it in. But you put scallion or whatever seasoning you want, you put it in it. Alright, so watch as I go. And tell me where you're watching from. Where are you viewing from? And let me know if you like my video. And as I say, is there any more room for improvement? Let me know. Alright, what I need to do. Alright. And you can put a suggestion what I can cook. I'm just draining the water from the rice. So this is my, alright, see? That's my lunch today. And also my dinner. You can see. Alright, so you season your pot accordingly. According to how you want it to taste, you season it. Alright, so that's my rice pot. I'm going to my gungo peas now. And for your rice, you can put a little cut noodle in it. for your callaloo rice, you can put a little in it, all right, to make it more spicy and more nicer. But I'm just going to make mine plain. But you can put whatever season. It's like a seasoned rice, so you put whatever you want to put in it, all right. So sometimes I put this in it, sometimes I don't. So I'm not going to put any in this morning, but you can, all right. Try it out, man, and let me know. See my pot there.
You wash this name.
I'm cutting up my season. This is my season, which already been washed. And this is my saltfish. I cleaned it off already behind the scene. And this is my gungo. Alright, so I'm going to get them together now. So watch as I go, as I cut my seasoning, which is already washed. Alright, and you put whatever seasoning you want in it. Alright, I like to use a bigger knife. Use whatever seasoning you want. Make it spicy. I don't have anything to make it spicy. These peppers nowadays, they're not hot. No Scotch bonnet. Let me know what if you use Scotch bonnet pepper. I love Scotch bonnet. Do you use it? Let me know. By the time the pepper reach to our country, they're not hot anymore. They leave out hot, but they stop the hot on the road. No more hot peppers. By the time we cross over the waters, it's not hot anymore. Just kidding, guys. Let me know if you use Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright? Sometimes I use the cayenne. Alright, so watch as I go. Just making fun of myself. Alright? Can you see my pot? Alright, let me know if you're seeing my pot and let me know where you're watching from. Alright, so this is my oil. I may use a little more, and you can put some margarine in it to make it nicer. You can put some margarine in it. Alright, you can see. Alright, so what does I put? Put a little piece more tomato in my pot. I'm just cutting up with another piece of tomato. Alright, so you can see. Put a little tomato, ketchup here, alright. Let me turn up my flame, you can see, alright. Can you see it properly? Alright. And as I say, I clean my fish. You can see, right? This is my gungo piece. And you put whatever season you want to put in it. You can see? It's my gungo piece. You can try it at home, guys. Try it out. A little Maggi. And you put your spice, whatever spice you want to put in it. This is a little seasoning salt. Over here I put in a little black pepper. You can see it's not much. I just put in a little black pepper. And as usual, a little ginger powder. You can see, so it's gungo saltfish. Alright, so I'm going to stay there and simmer down. Put in a little sauce in it. It's Diana sauce or whatever sauce you use. You put in it. Alright. I have some jerk sauce. Oh, this one is too small. Alright, a little jerk seasoning. Alright, you can see. As much as I go. Tastes so good. And use whatever sauce you want to use in it. Make it spicy. Cut up a little scotch bonnet, but I don't have no scotchy today. Alright. So this is my finished product here. Alright. So over here, my viewers and my subscribers, this is my gungo saltfish with tomato and seasoning. Alright, and you use whatever seasoning you want in your peas. Okay, and let me show you now my finished rice. And this is my finished rice. Alright, let me show you. And you know, you're not going to get the real natural green color. It will shade away a bit. Alright, so you can try it. Callaloo. This one, it needed more callaloo, but that's okay. And you use whatever veggies you want. You blend it and cook your rice. Alright, so next time around when I try, I'm going to use more callaloo and you get a greener look. Alright, but most time when you boil once it's heated, anything green that is heated, the color will change. Alright, so you can try this at home. Alright, and remember to use your seasoning, alright, in whatever, and it tastes nicer. Alright, so this is my finished product. This is my lunch for today, and this is I have my thermos here waiting on me. This is my thermos here waiting on me. I'm going to put my lunch in here. Alright, so you take care of yourself and be good. And remember to put God first in everything. Love you, my viewers. Love you, my subscribers. Tell a friend to tell another friend to try my callaloo rice and gungo with saltfish and tomato. Alright, love you. Bye-bye. See you in my next video. Make a comment, man. Let me know. Tell me something about my callaloo rice and my saltfish. Make a comment, man. Any comment will do. Thanks a lot. Blessings every time.